Hi, and welcome to Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute. Wait a second, this isn't Miss Kate Cuttables 1 Minute Make. This is another episode of Jeff Plays with Stuff. Okay, so this episode was actually filmed before the first episode that was released of Jeff Plays with Stuff, but this is the second episode that I'll be releasing. So it's kind of confusing because this is the first shirt I made, and in the first episode is the second shirt I made. So if you can follow that, 2 is 1 and 1 is 2. Okay, so the first shirt I made, I was looking through the Cricut Design Store and I found this image. Can you tell who it is yet? Well, it's kind of hard to tell who it is when I keep putting my fingers right over it, so you can't even see what I'm uncovering. But if you know what it is, you can tell. So my shirt has Mickey and Pluto on it. I love Pluto. I'm a dog person. I don't know if you know this, but we have 4 dogs. You can usually hear them in the background at some point or another in most of the videos. First of all, we have a mini golden doodle named Scarlet. She is the oldest of our dogs. She is about 5 years old, and she's my dog, and she knows she's my dog. She's glued to my hip at all times. Then there is our Cavapoo Maisie, which is actually Kate's dog, and she knows she's Kate's dog. Her favorite place is either by Kate's feet while she's at the computer or on the bed watching TV with Kate. She just seriously loves her. And then we have a male poodle named Teddy, and Teddy loves everybody. He's just this little tiny 10-pound fur ball. And then there's Ginger. Ginger is the one that is the youngest golden doodle. She's a mini. And Ginger is hilarious because she has 2 great fears in life. She's terrified of balloons and bare feet. Ginger is also our cuddler. You can pick her up and she will just put her head on your shoulder and just lay there in your arms. Every night she comes and loves to cuddle with me at the computer for about 30 minutes. Anyway, thanks for watching Jeff Plays with Stuff. I'm going to keep looking for things I want to play with. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.